It is the 27th of August 2026, and this is today's French A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about a deadly flood in Nepal and the more than 1,300 people reported missing afterwards. First, there are 3 other stories from today's front page, and you can read all of them on linguawire.com.
First, Meta, géant des réseaux sociaux, écope d'un accord de 18 milliards de dollars aux États-Unis.
Meta, the social media giant, lands an $18 billion settlement in the United States. The verb here is écope. It comes from écoper, which means to land or get something unpleasant, like a penalty or a fine. That is a very expensive lesson in social media moderation.
Next, OpenAI. Des agents IA hackent Hugging Face en juillet.
OpenAI says AI agents hacked Hugging Face in July. Notice, en juillet, French uses N with months of the year.
And le Premier ministre du Royaume-Uni convoque un sommet en octobre.
The UK Prime Minister calls a summit in October. The useful word is sommet. In politics, it means a summit meeting, not a mountaintop.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Au Népal, plus de 1300 personnes sont portées disparues après une crue mortelle. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Au Népal,
In Nepal,
plus de 1300 personnes
more than 300 people
sont portées disparues
are missing
après une crue mortelle.
after a deadly flood.
French often uses the passive style phrase sont portées disparues for missing people. It sounds formal and newsy, not like everyday conversation.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Plus de 5000 soldats et policiers participent au secours.
More than 5,000 soldiers and police take part in the rescue effort.
Des hélicoptères transportent aussi des tentes, de la nourriture et des médicaments.
Helicopters are also carrying tents, food, and medicine. In a disaster, even the helicopters are working overtime.
La police dit que 826 personnes sont disparues au Népal.
The police say that 826 people are missing in Nepal. This is the verb dire. It means to say.
Près de 500 d'entre elles sont des étrangères.
Nearly 500 of them are foreigners.
Dans une zone touchée, des maisons, des routes et des installations d'électricité ont été détruites.
In one affected area, houses, roads, and power installations were destroyed. Touché is the feminine form of the past participle here, agreeing with zone.
Now for the verb of the day. Participer. In English, that means to take part. Here it is in the present tense. Je participe. Tu participes. Il plus elle, on participe. Nous participons. Vous participez. Il, elle participent.
Here's a normal everyday example. Je participe au cours de français. In English, I take part in the French lesson.
One last time at full speed. Au Népal, plus de 1300 personnes sont portées disparues après une crue mortelle. Now you. Before you go, one question from today's story. Qui participe au secours? Is it A, des soldats et des policiers, des écoles et des magasins, or C, des voitures et des trains?
Think about it. For the answer, 2 more knowledge check questions and today's full lesson sheet, visit the class page linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.